Hello, my name is Kat. I'm a vocal coach, and today we're going to be talking about triads. Not chords, because chords are 4 notes or more played at the same time, and triads are just 3. Okay, so if you ever wondered why this, and this sound different, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. In a scale, we have a root note. We're in the key of C. If we count 3 notes above it, 1, 2, 3. That's what we call a third. And if we count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we call a fifth. And we can modify these a little bit, and we can mix and match those options. So we're going to start with the thirds, okay? So we have this third. We call that a major third, but if we make it a little bit smaller, we have a minor third. And it sounds sad. Okay, now that we got these two out of the way, major and minor third, major third, minor third, we got the fifths. Fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called a perfect fifth because it's literally perfect. And we can make it a little bit bigger. It's called augmented or minor 6 if you want to be fancy about it. If you know, you know. And a tritone or the devil's interval. It sounds a little bit crunchy, and we're going to use that. We're going to remember that. Okay, now we're going to mix and match. So if we start with a major third, sounds happy, and we add that perfect fifth, and we combo it all together, we have a major triad. Boom, perfect, easy peasy. Moving on. Now we have an augmented triad. Okay, we have still a major third, but we have the augmented fifth. And when we combo it all together, we get a flashback sequence. Alrighty, now we got that one out of the way. Let's go back to our major triad. We're going to modify the middle one, the third. We're going to make it a minor third. We're going to make it extra sad. When we add the fifth, it just sounds sadder. Awesome. And the last thing we're going to modify for our last combo, 4 out of 4, is the fifth. We're going to make it a diminished fifth or a tritone or an augmented fourth if you want to be fancy about it. We're going to add that minor third. And it sounds very, very crunchy, very scrunched together, right? Great. And that's a diminished chord. Triad, my bad. Diminished triad. To recap, we have a major triad. We have a major third and a perfect fifth. We have an augmented triad in which we have a major third and an augmented fifth. Flashback sequence, remember? Okay, great. Going back, we have a minor third with a perfect fifth, which is very minor, is very sad. Okay, and last but not least, we have our minor third and a diminished fifth or an augmented fourth if we want to be fancy about it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to know more about music, I guess. Well, you're getting more about music regardless. Bye.